To make a slurry coat, begin with type 1-2 Portland cement. Next, add any pozzolans you might be using in your concrete mix. Next, add a water polymer mix. I'm using 1 part polymer to 3 parts water. If you added too much of the water polymer mix, add more Portland cement and mix. You want to get to a peanut butter-like consistency. Apply slurry to any areas that need it. Smooth the slurry with a BONDO applicator. Allow the slurry to cure overnight, and then sand with a diamond hand pad the following day. That's it! You slurried your first concrete piece.